stay up here. So what made you decide to join Mr. International Lagoon?
Kaya po ako nag-join sa pageant na to upang mapakita ko po yung aking talento sa maraming tao. At mas mapag-usayan pa po sa mga ibang laban tulad na lang ng lalabanan namin sa Mr. Philippines International lang po.
Number 2.
And now let's have pageant round.
Isa-isa.
Lahat same questions.
The main reason why I joined this pageant is to show the world and to show the people who supported me what I can do and what I can give. Thank you.
So, bali yung mission po ng Mr. Lagoon International is para kabataan sa kalawang ng mundo. So, yun po yung naging basehan ko para sa mga kasi isa lang po yung layunin natin para po inspire, motivate, and po motivate others.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much, candidates 1, 2, and 3.
In competing Mr. International Laguna 2025. Same question lang po.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. For me, my message as a candidate for this budget, I think is my height because nakikita ko naman sa sarili ko na yun ang kalamangan ko. And also, lahat naman kami dito is may kanya-kanyang asset and magkakaiba kami.
Good afternoon. My best asset is my face. Even though I have big ears, a big nose, and a big lips. At dito nyo makikita ang tagline ng Mr. International Laguna na distinctively handsome. Para sa akin kasi distinctively handsome is uniqueness of your own way. So yun po din po para sa akin ang best asset ko.
Good afternoon everyone. For me, lahat naman tayo dito ay may kanya-kanyang asset. But for me, is I am a compassionate individual. I'm compassionate for what I am and what I do. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much.
Pageant PH. First, congratulations. And this is your questions from your three. So, give me 3 words that describe yourself.
Thank you. Una, ipagbati po na isang magandang hapon sa ating lahat. And thank you for coming here and supporting us. If I were to describe myself, it will always be compassionate. It will always be strong. And someone who is brave. Above all, I think I am someone who can always best represent myself, not just myself, but also the organization and my whole municipality. I am strong for I came here na hindi man ako ang pinakamalakas ngayon, pero I can provide the best assets in me. I am brave dahil sa tingin ko po, ginakaya ko at kakayanin ko. And lastly, I'm compassionate. Someone na law student who would have thought na isang law student struggling with their academics, struggling with their academic works, and struggling as I, as a person, could come here and represent my municipality and represent sooner this organization. So, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Eric from Hotman Philippines and she was...
Uy, siya pa, Be. Meron pa. Tatlo sila.
Oo, sasasakin niyo yung tanong.
Again, originally pa.
I repeat my question. Give me 3 words that describe yourself.
Huwag mo na kasi ibigay.
Isa po isang lahat ng aking panubayan sa Talosa. Pangalawa po, bilang isang kabataan, alam ko naman po ang isa po sa bata na sumali sa Bikini Olympiad.
masasabi ko lang sa ganito pati pala is hindi lahat may kakayahan. So, para sa akin, gusto kong gawing instrumento yung sarili ko para maging inspirasyon sa mga kabataan na nangangarap makasali at mabuso kanilang mga self-confidence sa pagsali sa mga ganitong pati pala.
Thank you so much.
Hello, it's me again. My name is Ansher there. And this question applies to all of you. What would make you a good representative for Mr. Laguna International? What would make you a good representative for Mr. Laguna International?
Bilang isang Mr. International, nirepresent ako ang aming gusto ng kuya. Gagawin ko ang aming lahat ng makakaya upang may pagpalaki ang aming gusto ng kuya. At sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dyan na aking pamilya at aking mga kaibigan, lalo-lalo na sa aking mga kaibigan. Gagawin ko lahat upang hindi masayang ang inyong pagod at mapagpagumpayan itong pagpalaki.
Next candidate.
Okay, thank you for that question. I believe I will be a good representative because I think of this budget not just a competition, but rather a platform for various things such as for growth, intelligence, and advocacy. A crown without a purpose, I believe, is nothing but an accessory. And that's why I am here to tell everyone that I'm not just here for the title, but to embrace the responsibility along with it. So I am representing not just really my municipality, but eventually I believe I can represent our province.
Mr. International, yung ugali at yung pagiging humble as a candidate ang may pagmamalaki as a candidate of a pageantry because the fellow youth is following you and you're being inspired by others and yeah, yun lang po.
Thank you guys and best of luck.
Thank you so much, candidates 10, 11, and 12.
Question is, sa inyong tatlo na to as you represent your municipality, ano yung best quality na madadala nyo sa Mr. International Laguna stage na feeling nyo yun yung quality na makakakuha ng crown? Okay guys? Number 14.
Maraming salamat po sa iyo. Katanong mo, ang isang pribilehiyo na madadala ko sa paging palagay ko ay ang pagkakaroon ng pagtitiwala sa sarili. Sapagkat isang dahilan ng pagtitiwala sa sarili upang mas matupad ang makuha mo mga gusto pa ng mga sa buhay. Katulad na ng gusto mong makamit na makuha ang corona mo, which is Mr. International Laguna Philippines 2025. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, thank you for that question. So, may answer ko is galing po ako sa municipality of Bay kung saan meron po isang college po na school, the Cardinal Moray Development Institute. The best quality na madadala ko po sa if I win this competition is being a risk taker. Because doon po sa kinapasukan ko po na school, marami pong mga entrepreneur student. And as an entrepreneur student, you must be a risk taker. If you must risk taker, you have a confidence to all or to face all the challenges. And with the help of Almighty God, the rest will follow.
Madadala ko po sa patimpalak na ito at magiging fraud po kayo ay yung ilaban ko po yung lugar ko. Kasi po yung lugar po namin sobrang late lang po. Kakunti po yung nakakakilala. Kaya po nandito ako para po makilala yung lugar namin na Rizal, Laguna. Na kahit po kakunti ang resources namin, lumalaban pa rin po kami sa larangan ng pageantry. Mahirap man po yung budget namin sa ganito, pero lalaban din po kami.
Nice answer, guys. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much, candidates 30, 40, and 50. Sound 7.
your biggest accomplishment and what did you learn from it?
Para sa akin, I don't take it as accomplishment, but may advantage din siya. So, by being a failure, I've been through a lot of pageants and ilan lang yung beses na nanalo ako. So, joining Mr. International Laguna will help me boost my confidence, and it would be my privilege to represent Santa Rosa or Laguna rather in international pageants. Thank you.
For me, my biggest accomplishment in my life is yung magkaroon po ng confidence ngayon sa inyong harapan at magkaroon ng aral sa inyo yung confidence na
Good afternoon. So the biggest accomplishment that I can present right now is that where I can show my flaws to everyone, because through that I believe that we can encourage other people to show who we are, and by that we can also inspire that never stop chasing your dream, because being here is one of my dreams. Thank you.
Now let's have candidates 19, 20, and 21.
Hello po. So the question is, there are a lot of male pageants in the Philippines. So bakit Mr. Laguna International or Mr. International Laguna?
I chose Mr. International Laguna because this is the first time that we have Mr. International here in Laguna, and I want to be in that story. I am here not just to showcase my physical attribute, but to serve as an inspiration and to be a role model, because I have the eagerness in my heart to work with organizations that can help bring back our community. Thank you.
Who will represent our province. I believe that distinction really has not just having a good physical physique, but also having a heart, and having a heart that's willing to help others, have a purpose to uplift a certain group of people, and can inspire other people to be the best version of themselves. Thank you.
Same question. Can you repeat the question?
Napakadami pong male pageant sa Pilipinas. Bakit Mr. Laguna International?
Pinili ko po yung Mr. International is gusto ko yung i-represent ang aking bayan, Santa Rosa bayan. Gusto ko maging isang magandang role model sa akin sa Santa Rosa at nabos ang aking confidence dahil ito yung una kong pagsabi sa professional na pageant. Ilang po, salamat.
Candidates 22, 23, and 24.
magandang hapon. Amin tanong ay, ano para sa generation ng mga tagalito?
Maging role model sa youth. At siyempre, sa mga kanyang ginagawa.
Pakilakas. Palakas. Pakilakas.
Ang isa sa katangian dapat sa Pilipinas dapat maging responsible siya sa mga bagay na kanyang ginagawa upang maging role model siya sa mga babae.
Isang bagong katangian ng isang Pilipinas ay marunong makatanggap ng pagkatalo, pagiging makatatag sa anumang mga laban ng pageant po.
So, para sa akin, ang isang katangian ng isang Magunense is pagkakaroon ng respeto. Kasi para sa akin, it is important that we all have respect for everyone. Regarding their culture, regarding their age, regarding their skin color, or their gender. Kasi may sarili akong kasasabihan na pag ang tao ay may respeto, siya ay may disiplina. At pag may disiplina, siya ay maangat.